last night he used him.
Honestly, nothing better than when a guy breaks this out.
I seriously can't stop thinking about him.
Yo, what up, peeps? Just trying to get into this trade here, bro. Shit don't even let me in. I'm pissed. Midwick is about 103.25. Yeah, I have a good entry right there for one sit. Ugh, it's on the fucking minis. It's not the micros. It's kind of fucked. 2 ticks below the midwick. A fair value gap right there. 4 minute order block, 3 minute order block, 2 minute order block, 1 minute order block. I mean, sure. We in. We're in there like swimwear, my boy. See if it would have got me into my original entry, which would have been up here. I think it might. Now that I traded all the way up, I was going to move my entry. Where would be stop loss? 19.5. Right up here. $19.5. Entry was 102.75. Oh, wrong one. How do I get to 19.5, buddy? Really? There we go. TP. Yes, sir. Yeah, right before open, if I'm in profit, I'll fucking move it. This thing's looking good. Taking the old SETI. Oh, on. Buy limit. There we go. It's like, what the fuck? Why can't I get to it? That was weird. Oh. Everything looks good. Yeah, stop will be moved to break even as soon as we open. 100%. Hey, Pizzle, happy Monday. We'll see. We'll test her out. I mean, this is my entry right here, bro. Big time. Big time. Once come up and stop me out, I'll take a little half risk on her. No big deal. This is the trade right here. This is it. That's what your boy likes to see. Legitness. Like I said, needs to go by like 9:30. 9:30, I'll move to break even. And if it's just in negative, I'll probably just close it at 9:30. Because I don't want it to just rip past me. Yep, no data. Day after holiday, too. Pre-market's been looking good. Wants to just rotate without me. I'll let her go. Boink, little fairy. That's the real entry right there. That's where I really wanted to get in at. Got my stop loss up a little higher. It's alright. Sorry if your boy gets stopped. That's what it is, bro. It's trade. Fuck it. Take your setups, you let the market do its thing. You just manage accordingly. All you can do. Zero control about what the market does after you get into the trade. Great reaction after taking out those highs, though. It's 1 minute highs. Nice little sweep. You took off work? Really? For what? Just for whatever? A little tiny fair value gap there. Can definitely trade up to that. Stop loss would be right above that. Nice. Attaboy. I'll take the little time, you know what I mean? I'll take some time. Yeah, it's a little sloppy here on the 1 minute. ICT kind of going crazy. He's bright. I kind of need to see it go. Comes down to break even, I'll probably get out. It would like have to quickly reject right here from this high. Because we already liquidated the high, so this high needs to quickly reject. It can't expand through this high right here. Needs to come down from there. Like I said, I'll probably get out if it puts me back to break even here. Just the reaction's just not good. I already had two kind of tradeaways. So traded up, reacted, traded back up, reacted again. And now it's trading up here. I'll probably cut my losses here. Gotta give me something though. Gotta give me a little push past break even. I'm getting out of that. Yeah, tiny loss. I like it though. I don't like the reaction from there. If it goes, it goes, but it's too close to 930. It's kind of just choppy here. If it would have just passed here, just kept going, that's what I was looking for. It's just keep swiping down, but since it's just kind of messing around, I'm not liking it too much. Entry and exit with the same kinda. Basically the same fucking price. I just should have had a fucking limit order on. What I'll do next time. But tiny loss. Don't hate it. You said good save. Brandon Hill. Brandon Cease? Or Brandon black hair in a control room. Yeah, bro. Take your fucking days, dog. Take your fucking days. And yeah, good save too. Yeah, east side, ASX, Brandon. Nice. Yeah, look at that save. Look at that save. Give me that. A little choppy here now. GG's, I'll record that a little bit. I'll put that. $15. Damn, when I got stopped out. How about it? Shit. What a save, boy. That was the last retracement to get down there and get out. Shit, I should have just bought it. Here we go. Here's the open. Woo, there she goes. Flying, boy. Taking out some buy side. Come on, trade lower from there. Old daily low. Mm. Close to 9:30. And there's a day after holiday. Yep. Great risk management. Broke even on the shit. GG's. And the last touchdown, I was like, I don't like it. I'm gonna get out of break even. Hits my break even point, get out, and then it just fucking rips my face off. So sick. If it would have gone the other way, that would have been sick. Oink. All right, let's get nitty gritty here. 1 hour. Now we're still trading up into an order block. I had immediate rebalance in the 1 hour, leaving relative equal lows. Regular trading hours, though. ES is now showing opposite. NASDAQ is still on the buy. YM's fucking selling off like a bitch. D cut. Probably won't take another trade today. No, 7 a.m. was fucking nasty, though. Did not get on for 7 a.m. What about you? Were you up at 4 a.m.? You get on that trade? Me and my girl are going to Aruba. We just booked it. I use all my travel points, so it's basically a free trip. We got to Aruba. It's like I had like $5,000 in travel points, bro. So sick. So yeah, she wanted to go to San Diego, then go to Hawaii, but I'm like, yeah, I'm not sitting in a plane for 24 hours in a week, because it's 6 hours to fucking Cali, and it's another 6 to Hawaii, and it's 6 back, and then 6 back. Yeah, $5,000 worth of travel points, bro. I was like, fuck yeah. I got them credit cards for days, my boy. That's right. Just buying up credit cards, bro. Not even buying up credit cards, just opening credit cards. Just keeping them on my account. Not closing them, not even using them. Yeah, kinda. I mean, I have 3 Chase cards. I have a Capital One card. So use the Capital One for the flights, use the Chase for the hotels. Yeah. 100%. So I had like, because I got paid like, it's like 1.25 on purchases and shit for travel. Like use my points. So I'd like, shit, like 350,000 points for Chase, and then like Capital One at like 100,000. I forget what Capital One's was though. But get a little tank here, a little bit deeper into that breaker on the 15-minute, trading that higher guy. Now we're seeing a nice little tank job. Just wanted to run some buy side there. We'll definitely run some sell side here. Yoink, look at that. Look at that. Sell side run. Oh. 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 Oh, that's what I was looking for ES. But you know what I mean? That's what I was looking for NASDAQ. It just had to run buy side and then fucking tank to sell side. Fuck me. He said boom. Boom. Now come back up into the range. This thing's a little shitbag. Buddy said boom. $15-minute breaker. Bada bing, bada boom. How you doing? Look at those bodies. Oh. Just so nice. Just so nice. Should have taken a cell from up there. That'd have been fucking wild. Technically, I'm down $5 because of the spread and commissions and shit. But I'm really down like 50 cents if it didn't account for that. Well, I gotta buy those other accounts too. From, what's that new prop firm, Big Sean? What's that shit called? When you sent me Funded Next. You got some accounts from them? Is there like a code? I got 12 of the 25Ks. Damn! Is that the move? Yeah, I mean, it's literally the same thing. I mean, max position. I can only do 2 minis on max position, which is fine. That's really the only difference. But you have 12 accounts. So, like, you build those up. Like, it's just going to fucking... It's going to be crazy. Yeah, I'm cool with that. I can hop on. Because markets are... Probably won't be trading. Sitting here doing some analysis. Join? Nah. Drag this over here. Make that big. Split the screen. Oh, you're in the bathroom? That's hilarious. Is there a one-time fee? $1,200? Holy shit, that's sick. I'm about to spend $1,200 on these fucking accounts. It's a ride. Ooh, let's go. Let's go, Pizzle. A little deeper run for sell side here. I love it. You've been shorting this whole way. I like it. Oh, it already hit it. Oh, you have it there again. Okay. Because it ran up to it. Bro, dollar. What happened to dollar? Yeah, dollar's just off a table right now. Dollar's just gone. I'm gonna start following Forex. Big time. Just take like 15 and 5-minute trades. So like what I can do, like I can sit here and scout NASDAQ and shit on like the 1 and 5 and 5 trades every day. But also I can trade fucking, if I just look at other markets and shit, I can trade the 5 and 15 and look at multiple markets and get the same amount of setups. Oh, KP, you're talking about the 935 fair value gap. Are you? Yeah, that's the one. That's the 935. Yeah, it's 935. Over it. At the bottom, it says 935. Yeah, I know. Ninja Trader's. Yeah, Ninja Trader's off by a fucking weird ass shit. It's like weird like that. All in all, it was a clean fucking move. Pretty dirty. Nice. Nice trade lower. What is it? Two-factor authentication. I love that. 193461. Nice. Look at that tank job there, bud. Little Tankerson. I don't want to do this. Skrill. Of course I want to do it this way. PA, P. Where the fuck is PA at? There we are. %5 applied. That's crazy. All right, fuck it.
Yo, Big Ty.
Big Sean.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
What's up?
Holy
What's
shit.
What's up?
Market just
Dude,
shot
I'm
up
so
right there.
happy
One
to be
candle.
sitting out of the market today.
Dude, holy shit. The market just shot up in like one candle. It's crazy.
I did not sleep last night, so I'm not trading.
Damn. All right, what's up with this fucking shit?
Dude, I think 25Ks are the fuck. First off, you don't have to pay monthly fees and there's no activation. So there's
My
no
God.
rush. The question is, do you have the ability to risk only $100 per trade or $200 per trade?
Yeah. I do that on
Okay,
all my trades anyway.
But like if you wanted to go down to 100 though?
Yeah, just micros. 100%.
Dude, I think 25Ks are better because once you start like the scaling factor, dude. Like realistically, how different
exactly.
is the risk gonna be? And it's 1-to-1 risk. So like the 25Ks are 1250, 1-to-1. Make 1250, you could lose 1250. And I think 50Ks are 2500, but you only get 6 of them.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, fuck.
And you use, dude, you got to figure out how to use the Brian Stonk guy. Join his Discord and get the rebate shit. Because I've gotten like,
I just did.
legitimately- Oh, you did? Okay. And the other one I'm thinking of, but I might not do it for a little bit, is that trading, I forgot what it's called, funding ticks. It's like, those were 2 of the 3 biggest Forex props with massive cash reserves. Dude, Ty, the way what they're doing, dude, it's like once you get to a certain point of payouts, they'll start paying you a monthly salary, like for being a live trader with them. Like that funding ticks is like will pay you like up to 4. It depends, right? Like how much you make, but like they'll pay you 400 a month, like shit like that.
That's funny.
Dude, these Forex giants entering is good because it's gonna create all these incentives for like the top steps of the world to do it.
Yeah, bro. Profit target 1200, 1250. Profit target, max loss limit 1250. Yeah, bro. Risk fucking 150 a trade, bro. And all these.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm probably gonna keep the $100 risk just because there's no rush, dude.
True.
We'll see. I might scale it a little bit, but and I think there's a 40% consistency rule. So with 40, yeah, you shouldn't even.
And is it
You're
like
risking
fucking
150.
is it like Apex where you have to actually purchase 12 accounts?
Yeah, it is, but it's easier.
Oh my god.
You could do
bro.
it through Apple Pay though. It's pretty easy.
Like I
So
could
did
just
it through
fly
mobile.
through it.
Yeah, I flew through it. I did it on mobile and used.
Really?
You have Apple Pay, obviously,
Yeah.
and use code SMART.
Yeah,
You'll get
yeah.
like $5 off.
Relative equal
I think
highs on
it-
the 1 minute to the first presented fair value gap. You can see it. SMT.
Should I just send some top step challenges? Cause I'm already.
Yeah, dude. 150Ks, bro. Fucking send them.
I'm not doing 150Ks.
Why?
Those are too
That's what I did.
expensive, dude.
Too expensive, bro.
You have 150Ks top steps?
Well, I just bought a new 150K. It's 150 bucks.
Yeah, but it's $100 more. And how much more are you really risking versus the 50Ks?
Yeah, I mean, if you scale it.
Yeah, if you scale it. But the top step's gay because they move you to lives faster now.
Yeah, but I could also just use more leverage on the 150Ks now, because now it's like automatically
could.
like
Yeah.
five contracts. Yeah, that's the
Yeah,
plus.
buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got. What's the date today? Jesus, dude, I'm ripping some nasty farts. I chilled these last night for the first time in a long, long time.
All right, let me go to funded next.
Alright, I have till May 9th to pass this other challenge, and they're almost halfway, so I'm not gonna do anything. Disconnect.
KP, it's a 1250 target with those and a 1250 stop loss.
Is KP trade props?
Oh yeah.
The dog right there.
KP is the homie, along with Patrick, is the homie.
Alright.
Still tanking lower here. Yeah, that massive fair value gap at 948. That was a very quick candle. If we get back up above that, we could want to see a revisit to the first presented and even higher. It redirects me for Apple Pay, right?
Yeah, you should see it as a payment option. And then when it says apply code, just do smart all caps. Dude, you're gonna, bro, you got fucking Top Step MFF. Now this. Now
I don't have
Apex.
MFF. I blew those guys.
good.
Those were so low. I don't even like MFF, bro. I'm gonna be
I
honest.
don't really either. I think it's the worst of the main ones.
Yeah.
I think Top Step's the most reliable. Apex is definitively the best because you can make the most money off of it, even though it's the fucking worst. They're the scummiest, but they're the best to make money on. Wow, look at this. The dream would be, dude, in a year, there's so much competition in props, dude.
That is the dream.
Look at you having $4,000 of travel points. That's retarded, dude. I've had a couple. I've had like $1,000.
5,000.
Dollars, not points.
Yeah, well, it's if I use it on travel, it's worth $5,000. But like the points I have,
500,000 points.
no, because it's like it like adds and shit. It's like a 1.5 thing. So it's like I'd like around 375,000 points, like all together.
You've been saving those bitches?
Yeah, I never spent them before. So as long as I had a credit card.
That's sick, dude. Where the fuck's Aruba? Aruba's like, is that near the
South
Caribbean?
America.
Oh, it's South.
It's like very sick because yeah, we're going during the
All-inclusive?
hurricane season. Yeah, all inclusive. That's like my must for fucking trips, bro. I don't give a fuck. I want all inclusive. That's it.
That's gonna be sick.
But
man. You
it
guys are
was-
just gonna drink, eat, fucking just be pigs for a couple days.
He said, "Wasted. I'm on your girl. You're funny." It's all right. Hey, it's all right. She's paying for the next vacation, so I shouldn't even have told her I was using my points on it.
What does she do? She's a nurse.
Yeah, she's gonna be an MP soon.
Oh, she's gonna have that bag, boy.
Yeah, she's gonna be a little. We had a long talk about fucking life yesterday and incomes and shit and like what she wants to do, what I want to do. She goes, "Well, I know you want to like I know you're good with just being like just good, but like I want to like make some fucking money." I go, "What do you think I'm trading for?"
Bro, what?
Like,
I
I'm very-
respect her. I respect her saying that, but
Yes. I'm also very like I'm also just content. Like I don't need a lot. You know, I don't need like the best of the best. I don't need shit. Like I'm just perfectly fine with not having a lot. I can make do with a fucking pillow and a blanket and live in my fucking bathtub, you know?
yeah, you're the type of dude who'd be happy with like some mouth tape and like a pillow. You know what I mean?
Exactly, bro. You give me that mouth tape, dude.
Dude, should I try that shit, Ty?
I literally have mouth tape and I have that fucking nose thing. It's incredible.
The nose thing is, yeah, it's good. Send me the link to which mouth tape you use.
It's just on Amazon, just the fucking easy one. I don't even really like mine, to be honest.
Do you actually feel like you breathe and sleep better?
Well, it's allergy season, so I don't really have a good fucking barometer of any of that.
You just can't fucking. Your nose is stuffed and you can't breathe out of your mouth.
Yeah, you
Just
can't
suffocating in
exactly.
your sleep.
Exactly.
Your girlfriend who's a fucking nurse is just like reviving you in that night.
Yep. Exactly. So how do I prove to this dude that I used his fucking code?
You have to go through that smart. Dude, all the instructions are in the Discord. You go to that smart app. You go to your account and you basically submit the accounts you bought. I think Alex might get on.
Fuck yeah.
Dude, fuck, man, this was a move. Damn, dog, just a
Wait, can I
great
buy-
2022 model. I think you. I think you go to funded next. Let me see the shit. Yeah, I think you have to buy it through at the top where it says start challenge. Alright, dude, I like that daily low from Thursday, April 10th. Damn, dude, I'm not just about to sell this shit to get this challenge. Yeah, dude, I'm pretty hyped for these funded next accounts because you get all these bonuses too with these forex stuff, dude. Like, watch Ty today. Go on, made a YouTube video. Just watch it. That kid, fucking dweeb, but he's been running up prop accounts. Yeah, I think he runs that smart shit. Ty, that's what I'm saying, dude. There's such an opportunity for someone who's actually cool to fucking go into this prop space and tell people how to do this shit. Yeah, well, I wasn't talking about you, buddy. I'm just kidding. Oh. There's no point, bro. You could just fucking trade Forex futures. Which honestly, dude, we might have to. Bro, the way dollar's moving. I need to figure out what the tickers are, but I'll trade some fucking euro and pound. Why not? Is that what it is? Hold on, let me add that shit. 6E. Is there a dollar future or you just look at DXY?
What up? What up?
Yo. Yo, 6E and 6B. Yo, Alex, what's up, brother?
What up, dog?
Hey, you know, man.
Oh shit! Yeah, I hit my bike. My bad. Big
Trade
fucking
today,
Al guy.
No, I didn't trade. I wanted 952 fair value gap on ES. I was gonna short it, but never got it. That was all I saw.
952. 952.
Big Al guy killing it.
Yeah, that.
I wanted Six Sister. I still want Six Sister on April 10th low on ES, but it's a rip in there.
Dude,
Yeah,
I got
my
that.
setup.
I got that standard dev on that 5-minute breaker right now.
Let's go. I gotta put my opening range on it. I forgot to do that.
Yeah, I took the
We got-
pre-market at fucking 9:15. Like
Oh,
around
wow.
there, like 9:07, 9:14, and all
I
that. Then it's
saw it.
consolidated. I was
Smart.
like, I'm gonna get out. Fucking got out at break even, ripped against me, and then just fucking tanked. I was like, well, fuck me.
You'd have to sit through some drawdown
just-
though.
Oh yeah, no, I would have got stopped out. Totally.
Yeah, I like that setup, dude. That pre-market setup was like just a nice
Man.
OTE.
Yep.
I just got married to today being a shitty day, and it wasn't.
It was tough, dude. The SIGs were whack.
The start, and then you got, yeah,
Just a day after a holiday,
no news.
no news.
Dailies like in a god knows what the fuck it's
Bro,
gonna do situation.
Daily 4 hour, 1 hour. I'm just like not sure what that is.
Yeah, I'm with you, dude.
Not sure
I am
what that
still
is.
bearish, but
Yeah,
yeah, how you doing, bro?
crazy, man. I'm doing better than I was the last few weeks.
Good.
But dude, I didn't even look at the charts once last week. Just zoomed out, took a
Good.
week off, and had to make a better plan because this
Yeah?
shit is harder than I thought, and I thought it was hard. But yeah,
I did some of that yesterday. I went and used my buddy Grok because I do this daily template every day, morning and night. So I had
Me
it
and my buddy
summarize
Grok.
everything. Yeah, dude, Grok's the only one who gets me, man.
yeah,
Rock's the
hey,
homie.
Yeah, dude, me and ChatGPT are my only friend.
Yo, that's sad. That's sad, dude.
It's the only one that actually hears me, dude.
Yeah, I put my whole life in Grok and told it to give me like 20 improvements on my life. I swear to God, I talked to it for like 15 minutes straight. I said, this is what I am. This is who I am. This is like what I do. This is my problems that I'm having. And like,
You
this,
guys
I can't
pay for
figure it
Grok?
out. No.
I have the.
Oh, Grok's free.
Yeah, Grok's free, dude. What did Grok say,
Dude.
Ty?
I hear that, Ty. Just being like, wait, I've tried every variable, Grok.
Yes,
Still
it said
not-
like my time management and stuff. So the two really good things that it said to me is like I need and must fucking time management on my calendar, and like that has to be a consistent thing. Cause like, dude, I get so much stuff. Like it said, like, dude, you have way too much stuff going on. Like the only way you're gonna be able to do this is if you fucking implement like a real calendar and shit. And I'm
just
like, yeah, I know.
actually like a schedule engineer, you know?
And then the other thing too, because my back and shit, my back is like messed up and like I want to get to the gym, but like if I go to the gym and just stretch, then my back, like I don't feel fulfilled in my workout. But then if I also go to the gym and lift a lot of weights and like get a fucking good workout in, then my back suffers and it fucking hurts like the rest of the day. Then I don't want to go back to the gym. So it said, look, this is what you should do. You should swim. And I'm like, I fucking love swimming. And it's like not a lot of wear and tear on your back, and you can still get a fucking incredible workout in. I'm like, dude, that's incredible. So now I'm gonna join a gym that has a pool. Yeah.
Yeah, swimming is the most insane cardio I've ever done, dude. Was when I was at ASU, my advisor called me like halfway through the semester, and she's like, "Yo, you're 1 credit short," and I'm like, "Whose fault is that?" And then she made me take a swimming class.
Whose fault is that?
Dude, so I had to swim, bro. But I enjoyed the shit out of it. It would be like, dude, our class was at like 7 a.m. We were swimming outside in like February. And like, I thought I was going to puke every day.
Swimmer, dude.
And then neither am I. But our, the teacher for it was just the coach of the swim team. So he was just like an absolute dog to us. He's like, just fucking, just pushing everyone.
Fuck yeah.
And everyone's just like taking this course because they need like 1 credit. But I was like, yo, I'm loving this. And dude, the high I'll get from after swimming, the natural high was just like,
it's incredible.
dude, I started doing these HIIT classes, dude, with 5-pound weights. It's like an hour class. Dude, I feel like I got hit by a truck when I
Bro,
finished
Kayla
this
made
class.
me go to fucking, what's that shit called at 45 with her? Dude,
Is that what's the word for that?
it's the same shit. It's like you have 18 stations, some weight, some
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
cardio, and you're
Yep.
just nonstop.
Bro,
And it's not bodybuilding fitness.
no, not at all. I was like, oh my god, I was asking myself, like, is it okay to push my body like this? You know, am I actually okay?
Yo, Big Al, they added a fucking Stairmaster.
KP, that's the funniest thing I've ever heard in my life. That's hilarious because that's what I fucking do. That's incredible.
Yeah, dude, this class was like a combo of like Pilates, HIIT, and yoga, and it's heated.
Pilates is tough too, man.
Crazy, dude. And then there's just all these nice looking girls, which is just great. Great for the team.
Short ES, short ES.
Yeah, dude. So recently I've been using all 3 opening ranges. Midnight, the 9:30 to 10 one,
Yeah,
and then PM session 1.
nice.
And right now, dude, we're trading into, we got a 5-minute IOFed potentially on ES for our last leg, which is also right at the low of the 9:30 to 10 opening range. So
I
it
love
could
it.
just tap that and go.
Like those
I've
just
been-
give you an extra like higher time frame, not even a higher time
Yeah.
frame, just another key level
I
to have a
love them,
confluence
dude.
with. Like that's why I
I
have all
fucking love
those
them.
new week open gaps, new day open gaps, all the ranges set, all this stuff. Like it just gives you another
Wow.
confluence, and that's like
Dude, look
what
at
I
this.
look at those at.
It didn't even hit the 5-minute IOFed. It hit the 5-minute volume imbalance between the 10 and 10:05 candle, which is also the opening range low, and trading away from it. Still could go back up, but
Yeah,
But also-
Nazi D got it. Nazi D hit that little.
oh, okay, cool. So
Nice.
overextended though, dude. Like for me to just throw it on right now and have
Oh,
like, my
yeah.
stop.
Dude, I've been loving just like for the narrative of a Judas. Literally
Yeah.
every morning marking out like either 8 to 9:30 or 8:30 to 9:30 depending on news. Like even today, bro, look at it. That's just a simple manipulation above it we tank.
Dude, how great is that 7 a.m. macro today?
Yeah, I was asking Ty if he was on about it when he was streaming.
Dude, just
It's real,
textbook.
dude. It's real.
Just right to that daily low from last week, last Friday. Like that was it, dude.
She
And then,
exists.
and then, bro, the 950 macro,
Said
just one
well.
more stop run, go. It just missed my entry by that I wanted on. 1 minute.
Patty, I was looking at your trade. I couldn't really find out your trade. I'm sorry I didn't answer, my boy. That's hilarious. One, two, three, four. So we're tagging from there. So you're telling me I should take a trade? So you're telling me I should take a 15-second breaker? Bam, right there. Breaker, fair value gap, 15-second tank. I like to see those highs get run though. I like to see a deeper run. I mean, look at the 1 minute on ES, bro. It's like all just consolidating. Like run those highs first and then fucking tank. Same with Naz here. 2 minute. She was there. Holy shit. That's crazy.
Yeah,
Dude, that's a technical foul if I've ever fucking seen one.
dude. She's like,
Yeah,
yo,
that's
it's so
kinda
good to
fucked.
see you. It's so good to see you, Alex. I was like, is it? Like,
Is
this
it?
good? Yeah, I was like, I don't even know, dude. I was like, this is weird.
15-second lick run right there.
That was it. There it
Yeah.
is. Bang. Opening range low, 5 minute IO fed. Thanks for
1
playing.
minute run on the highs. There you go. How you doing?
And if I was in a trade, I would be completely out.
How you doing?
It, mate. Not a bad. And dude, the pre-market was decent. We're so close to that drawing liquidity though in ES, like it wouldn't even have been a 1-to-1. You guys use Grok on your phone or on like the Twitter website?
Both.
Both?
Yeah, on the laptop, yeah, you have to use it on Twitter. On my phone, I use the app.
No, you could go grok.com on the web browser.
Yeah, no, I don't use grok.com. Just have the app.
Alright, word. Oh, there's a separate app for it?
Yeah, it's a whole Grok app.
Good looks.
Yep.
We were getting new siding on our house, and they just started the spot right next to my window. They're just going crazy.
I really fucking wish Top Step just did fucking micros, man. It would make this shit so much easier.
What's the issue with Top Step? Dude, all I have is Tradeify.
Dude, that's enough though. But yeah, Al, last week I just went on a fucking like soul searching through all my notes, all like what I'm doing. And like I basically realized like the last 2 months I had no trades that were like 3R. Like it was literally that simple. And I was making stupid fucking mistakes. But we back, boy.
I know, dude. That's what I was journaling about today. I said, gotta build a new me again. Again and again and again and again.
Bro, we're gonna have to do that every fucking day, every week, every month, every year of our life.
I know, dude. That's just Dude, I said, gotta build a new meet, period. Again, period, always. That was it.
Yo,
That's just fucking it. A constant refinement process, dude. Just never ending.
yeah, man.
Oh,
I just bought fucking 12 of them, bro. What the fuck? It took forever.
12
It's
what?
not as bad as Apex, dude.
Yeah, Apex is shit. Wait, do
They
I
came out with a new prop, Alex, that's one of the biggest Forex giants, and they have like all these like incentives with it.
And you tied just bought 12 of the new props.
Yeah, they're 25Ks,
What's the actual drawdown?
1250. Is it 1250, Ty? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
1250, and then
But
what's
it's
the
1-to-1,
target?
1-to-1,
Oh,
1250.
1-to-1. Fuck it. That's sick.
Ty, so
Yeah,
are
bro.
are you gonna make those your lead now?
No, I still have my lead account's always my
You're live.
Ninja Trader live. Yeah, always.
Just be careful, you can't make over it's 40% at 1250.
Yeah, so I can't have a trade that's like fucking.
500 on that account.
Got it.
Good looks. Good comps.
Hey, man. Damn, bro. She moving.
All right, now to find my credentials.
Yeah, hey, by the way, it's not gonna work. You're gonna have to reset your password. I made that mistake and I messaged the support team.
What do you mean reset my
What's that?
password?
Yeah,
Share your
what's that?
screen. When you log into Tradeovate or like set it up in Ninja, it's not gonna work before you do this step. Yep. All right. Go to dashboard on any of the accounts. All right. Yeah, right there. Username and master password. You're gonna have to reset that master pass.
And this will reset for all of them?
Yeah. Now, if you try and log in, it should work now. And that's the username.
Yeah,
This is
big
the
shot
username
on
for.
you.
Oh, this is okay.
Yo,
Not
what's
bad.
up, Al?
That's cool.
Nah.
I'll just wait to. I interrupted y'all.
No, you're good.
Nah, dude.
Dude, when you texted that the markets were closed for Good Friday, and you're like, "Yo, dude, he's just getting fucked again," I was fucking dying, dude.
Bro, I'm dead serious. I was like, I've
I
never even
know.
fucking heard of Good Friday. I'm like, what the fuck is this bullshit?
Dude, that shit made me laugh a lot. I was with one of my friends, and they're just like, "Yo, what are you giggling about?"
Just another era in history.
Nah,
another
that's the most
fucking-
retarded screen I've ever seen, bro.
Mine?
Yeah, that's fucking ridiculous.
What? Of all my fucking trades and shit?
Just so many accounts, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Holy shit.
Yeah,
The
dude.
FTD, is that
Of course.
what's FTD?
I don't even know. What was what?
Oh, is that Tradeify?
No, that's yeah, that's Tradeify, sorry. Copy.
Dude, when you have 20 Apex accounts, it clogs your I miss those Apex accounts. I will
That's
never,
incredible.
unfortunately, have those back.
Oh, you blew them.
Yeah. I mean,
Finally.
I blew them in. I mean, dog, I had them since fucking like April of last year.
Dude, that's what I was telling Ty. I was like, dude, my only progress right now is I just blow accounts slower.
Oh my god.
Where they're at. Oh, there they are. Holy fucking scroll wheel, bro.
Ty, I think that's lagging my screen. There's so much going on your computer, dude.
Bro, there has to be like 1 million accounts. They're all write-offs though, bro. So keep fucking pay me. All I gotta do is go on a little streak, bro. I'm getting payouts from every fucking prop firm.
Dude, that's the thing, bro. Alex, all it takes is a couple good weeks on the Tradeify accounts, dude.
Yep.
And once you're at that buffer, dog, because you're doing the 150s, right? Do you have 5 or 7?
I have 7. Luckily,
you're
I got in
fucker.
before they changed it.
Yeah, that's
Are you
crazy.
sitting on a good amount of drawdown still?
Like, I think it's $2,500 in drawdown right now out of 7,500.
That you have left?
No, I'm minus 2,500.
Oh, so you still have 5K of drawdown.
So that's 5K drawdown.
Oh, dude, you're chilling.
Yeah, I'm just chilling, dude. I've just been getting like $80 losses for like a couple months, and they are slowly adding up. But thankfully, it's nothing too crazy.
Alex, that's insane, dude. Despite the fucking chaos it's been for however long, you're only down that much in drawdown.
Dude, despite not having a winning streak, not having 2 back-to-back wins since November, that's all I'm in drawdown.
I know. Ty, let me pull up your copier, dude. Let me see what that copier looks like.
Hold on.
Yo, Ty, pull up your credit card and let me see what that looks like.
Pull up your credit card and.
Alright. Talk me through this. So, alright, you're basically doing the pre-allocation one.
Hold on. Putting this on my main screen.
What a fucking headache, dude. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's a lot, but
It's a good problem to have.
great problem to have. All right. Well, now I gotta connect my other shits.
So, is your shit as simple as 1-to-1, or you have ratios, whatever your split is, and then you have a separate tab where you do pre-allocation for the top steps?
Yep. So
and then
top
you-
step here. So my first 4 are everything but top step. And my last really 6 are everything because I have to split up my micros as well. Because sometimes my micros, so I'll show you, but let me just turn all these on first. Yeah, ratioed all the other accounts, of course. It's just a 1-to-1 ratio. Good.
You don't do, what is the ATM? You don't click ATM copy? Doesn't that do, that's not stop, that's just like if you have a pre-order.
If you have like a ATM order.
So as soon as you enter, it'll automatically place it basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your NT doesn't lag. Copying all those together? No. NinjaTrader does not lag copying all these. Yeah, my computer's a fucking beast though, bro. This little fucking gaming laptop I got is
I was
nasty.
thinking that, dude. If I was doing what you were doing right now, do you even know how many accounts are there right now?
No, I haven't counted.
Like, you have that many accounts you don't even know. You're just live streaming and you're on a call. Like, what?
Yeah, I'm live streaming, call, and all my fucking windows of TradingView up.
Dude. Yeah, and trading views up, dude. My shit would just like.
Bro, yeah, I have an AMD Ryzen 9, bro. My processor is like the best one you can get on
That's
this
incredible.
laptop. Yeah,
Wait, what
So
do you
then
have?
look-
What's your processor?
the AMD Ryzen 9. My graphics card shit. I mean, I don't need a good graphics card, so it doesn't
I
even
have a
matter.
fucking fat ass engineering lab. It's my work laptop, but I use it for trading and they don't know. That's my way of getting back at that fucking, what do you guys call it? That Good Friday? That stupid fucking holiday.
Wow, that's crazy that you said that. That's so
Sorry,
crazy.
At least you know I'm not gonna pay for my sins.
That's nuts.
What kind of fucking Alex?
Yeah.
Can we sit here and ignore? Why are you supposed to be ashamed of your sins instead of accept your sins?
Whoever
Because
said,
religion's made up, dude. That's
Yo, let's go. I baited him. He took it.
yeah.
what was I gonna say? But yeah, Sean. So all of them are all copied. So the first set is all ratioed.
Yep. Yep.
Same thing for micros, minis, whatever. And I have top step off. So all my top steps are not on
that's
any of
how
my
I
other
have it.
accounts. All right. So
Okay.
next one is only top step and it's already just pre-allocated. So let's say I just take any kind of mini on, so if I take 10 minis on my fucking live account, I'll only take 1 on this, and then I would take 13 on my 150, because since it's really, it should be 15 to what I want to risk, because so right now I'm doing like
micro 13 minis.
Minis, yeah, minis.
You're a dog, bro.
13 fucking minis.
What are you, a fucking hedge
if I
fund?
take one? So wait, I don't even know what's like the max minis you can take. I don't even know on
It
your.
might be 15.
I think
might
it
be
is 15.
In the challenge phase.
Yes.
You just gotta be careful you don't overdo it, where you like make like 7K. Because you gotta split it up into 2 days. How the fuck do you do the math for 13, bro?
Yeah, it sucks. Math for what? 15.
Why 13, bro? I feel like you're gonna.
Well, because it's a
overdo
little
it
bit
at
less
13.
than, it's a little bit less than 15. I could technically do 15.
Yeah, but Ty, the problem is you can only make 4,500 max on one trade.
Yeah, I know. That's why I did 13.
So okay, you're probably gonna hit that very quickly.
No. Not the way. Because look, the math that I did, so $4,500, right?
Yeah.
Half of that is $2,250.
Yeah.
So you take $2,250 divided by my actual risk that I do of 150 on my accounts. That's 15 orders that I can put on. So it's 15 times whatever I could put on for this. So if I put one mini on an order for like $150 risk, and that's my risk allocation, then it will take 13 orders, which is about only like $1,900 in drawdown. So it's the same thing. I'm sweating my fucking dick off, bro. It's way too hot in this bitch. Yeah, what's the max? Is it actually 15 orders? I don't even fucking know.
I think it is 15. You're John.
Yeah, whatever.
But Ty, here's my main question for you, bro.
Yeah.
Let's say you end up buying 3 fucking micros and your copy traded 1 mini, and you want
But I
to
won't
take a
be.
partial.
You can't take partials. You have to just, if you want to take a partial, you'll have to
gotta toggle it
disconnect
off.
top. Yeah, so you have to disconnect Top Step to take a partial.
So you'll just hit that. You'll exit, hit the toggle off, and be done.
Yeah.
But I wonder if your stop would get moved too on Top Step. I don't think it would.
No,
That's
you would have
probably
to
what
just do
happened
it
to you.
before. So like, yeah, that is what happened to me when I when I blew the accounts. It was totally my fault because those orders were left on. I didn't go back to Top Step and take the orders off after it hit take profit. So yeah, once you toggle it off, you have to go back to Top Step and then manage those accounts accordingly. So, and I just forgot to do that, and I shut down my computer. Usually my computer sends me a notification, says, hey, you still have this many orders on. But I think that day I just fucking hit the turn off button, and it didn't even give me a fucking notification because I didn't close NinjaTrader properly. So that's definitely just on me. Just a perfect storm.
Let's see.
What's price doing right now? It's just fucking going sideways here. Nice. Excited. One-sided. You have that liquidity after 10. Lunch macro will take out 10-15 during the lunch macro. From 11:50 to 12:10. You got a one-sided AM session opening range. You have a short-term liquidity that was formed at past 10 o'clock. Price, if it consolidates, stay below that, it can really form a new high and come back down off of it. Then during that macro, we'll fucking spool to it.
I wouldn't do anything till 10:50 here.
Yeah, since the open range was so big, 1050 should just fucking fuck off. It's gonna trend a little bit, but then it would come back down. Email support. Very fair. Hold on. Hold on, I'm trying to stay with you here. Hold on. Why do you just have to take partials off Top Step? Just fuck it. It just say fucking and send it. What was I gonna do? Yeah, but anyway, the Top Step accounts, like, yeah, pre-allocated for the minis. So it's always going to take one mini no matter how many minis I put on my funded account. And the micros, I have two separate ones. So if I take like 7 to 13 micros on my one trade to make 150, then it's just going to take one mini on my Top Step. It's not going to be leveraged completely right, obviously. If I take one mini on this versus 7 micros, it's going to be risking a lot more. But that's what I have to do. And then I also have the exact quantity for when it's like under 5 micros. So like when it's like 6, when I take 6 micros, it's going to be exactly that. And I just toggle those on and off no matter, like, basically like what I'm trying to put on the trade. So if I do seven micros, I'll put 1 mini on Top Step and toggle off my exact quantity. Top Step micros. That's what I do. Yep. Yep, exactly. And I just have it on 6. So I have 6 fucking minis right now, because basically like 5 micros times 10 is 50, and then I'm just like, let me just throw 6 on there. I don't even know how the fuck I got 6. Oh, because the micros I have on NASDAQ would be 3. So then 3 times that, 3 times fucking 10 is 30, and then divided by 5. I don't even know how I got 5. No. Hold on, wait. I had a reasoning for it. Now I just forget. What the fuck? Hold on, I'm trying to think. I don't even know why it's 6. So basically pre-allocated, if I take any kind of micros, it'll take 6 minis. So if I take, damn, yeah, 1 micro would be fucking 6 minis on the bitch. Oh, I guess I had to change that. Yeah, because it would be, wait, I did change it. That's weird. Or just divided by 15, I guess, then. So 50 divided by 15 would be, there would be about 3. Damn, I'm kind of doubling the risk then if I would have taken it on that. Yeah, I got a shit ton of accounts now. Any more accounts I need to buy? Funding ticks. Yeah, I'm taking my funded futures off of my fucking. You know what else I don't like either is Take Profit Trader. Why don't I like their rules again? I don't know. There's one thing that I didn't like about their rules. $170 a month is kind of bullshit. No activation. Then it's like, how many accounts can you get? I have to have 5 trading days till I get a pro account. It's kind of fucked. I don't know. There's something I didn't like about it, but whatever. Yeah, maybe. You should just drive to wherever they are. Say it's a business expense because it is, technically. They employed you. Bro, just create an LLC, bro. You honestly should anyway. Oh shit, Pope Francis has died. Holy shit, on Good Friday. That's kind of ironic. Because that's when Christ risen, if you didn't know there, Big Sean. Sorry, Pope. That's crazy. Dude, no remorse for Christians. What is it? Funding ticks? How many accounts can I get here? 6! Oh my god, I'm buying all of them. Dude, I don't even know how many accounts I have, bro. No, I will. I will. Just messing. I'm trying to find their futures. I don't see their oh, there we go. Wait. Major trading platforms start now. Wait, is this only futures? They only have 50K accounts. Okay. That's cool. It's 1 to 1.5, yeah. It's basically, yeah, 3 to 2. They hit 3 before losing 2. Yeah. Yeah, it's just clean, bro. Funny ticks is just clean. Is this fair value gap gonna work here? Damn. ES 1 mini. Fire. Yes, one of it's like the revised one. Or the prelim or something. One minute order block, relative equal lows, ES. Something like that. Yep. We already took out higher time frame drawing liquidity though. So if it didn't take out higher time frame drawing liquidity, I'd be in there. Yeah. That's yeah, literally when I oh, that's why I laugh. I'm like, what are you talking about? Nice tank. Good tank job right there. Nice little fold over. Nice little jobby. Sure. To them low skis. She's just dipping and diving. Ew. There she goes. Tankerson. See if the cell works here. See if she plays. Yep, exactly. Other than that, it would be. The daily low hasn't already get taken. I'd have been in. But not yet. Hopefully it works. I'm here for the work. Be a little 15-second SMT. Be fucking sick. I'm here for the work, Jobby. Oh, there's the SMT. Gives me the breaker there. I'll short, but probably not. Nice. That's crazy. You have SMT. Nah, this is just acting a little fucking weird. Hi, brother. Oh yeah. Please, buddy. Big Al, what are you writing down? Elaborate. There's a rectangle and it just goes. No, not really. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's good, man. Why can't I sell it? I need Big Sean back on. Trying to put an order on these accounts and it won't let me put an order on. I don't know why. I was trying to short that right there on NASDAQ. I guess it's good that it didn't. Super small risk. Boink. It would have fucking got me. Just consolidating. I think the lunch macro is going to fucking hit the high out. Schmack. I don't know why these aren't working. KP, peace, dog. Good hanging out. Yeah, I call Big Sean. Damn, now it's tanking. It's crazy. Call Sean. Yeah, it's just fucking around in here, bro. This thing buys up from here. It's weird. Yeah. Hold on, Big O. Hey, it's a good short right there in the 15-second. Short. Yep. See ya. This thing's just fucking around, huh? NASDAQ's crazy, huh? Big Al. Big Al. Alex. Motherfucker's muted. Am I muted? Did he mute me? Call Alex Tabundo. This fucking guy. Did you mute me? Hello? Can you hear me? Oh. Yeah, I'd muted my mic as well. So, all good. NASDAQ is like wild right now, bro. It's just crazy. Just in a little consolidation phase. Shit is wild, bro. Crazy. Whoa. Tank job. Cold water on face. I love it. Yep. Does it tank? It's a good age-old question. $10:45 lunch high should get fucking run if it doesn't keep going down. There goes Nazi D. There she goes, Big Al. Yep. Perfect. Now I can trade it. I can trade it now. I just had to log in through Tradeovate. Still hasn't gone any. No, I would have already shorted it. Cascade lower. Right here, right now. Right here, right now. New Day open gap. No, there's a new day open gap from the 7th. It's basically the order block. Tuesday, April 8th, opening price. So that's a good level because the new day open gap lines up with a PDA. YM is just literally just falling. Yo no tengo. Alrighty. So a little summary of the day. Mm. You got noise canceling headphones? Yeah, it's not fun. Tanker. Yeah, I just wish those higher time frame levels weren't taken, bro. It's basically the takeaway. They weren't taken, bro. I'd be God. Yeah. What do you mean? Are you trying to swing grade it for even lower than April 10th or? You mean an applied extension? Well, the high I'd put it at April 9th. Oh, probably the manipulation. After we took out, yeah, where it had SMT. I probably would do, yeah, 1040. You also can do the old low at 52.06. Yeah, we did this on the 5 minute. So 5 minute, you had the so I'm doing it from the low to the high, or both the liquidity pools, because the breakaway gap you have at 10:45 on the 5 minute. Measuring gap's going to be the one at 11:15. Was that a 15-minute time frame? Fuck, hold on. Sorry. Yeah, 10:45 is the breakaway gap on the 5. And then this one really should be the measuring gap here. Mm-hmm. $15-minute. Like you can also go higher on the 15-minute. So you can use this 5 minute as get in sync with it. You can either trade the turtle soup, you can trade the breaker after the turtle soup, you can trade the market maker model as the turtle soup's going down before it. It's whatever one you want to get in sync with. Yep. So if you take that 15-minute fair value gap too, say it again. Yep. That's all it needs. 15-minute fair value gap, 1150. So if you're using the top of that fair value gap, you look at it on the 5, there's a nice order block right at the top premium side of that fair value gap. So obviously you don't want to see that fair value gap premium side get hit, like extended through really. Like it needs to hit it and then quickly reject if it does trade up to there. But if it's quick, it's just gonna fucking fall. Like it's doing fucking now. A nice trade would really be from 51.72. Be a 1 minute order block low inside of a fair value gap, but it's also a 5 minute premium fair value gap with a 15-minute low right there. Let's come back up and touch it. 12 o'clock Mackie. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Ben?
How you doing?
Hey, good. Are you able to get me in this week for like an oil change around lunchtime?
I can, but it would be Thursday or Friday.
I think that works.
Whichever day works for you, just let me know.
Let's do Thursday. Let me get
Okay.
this out real quick. Hold on. Thursday. Let's do it at like let's do it at like 12:30. Is that cool? Awesome. Sweet. Yeah, and then I just need a tire rotation then as well. Do I need anything else? I don't think I do. And then yeah, the tire pressure sensor just came on. It's been kind of going on in and out. I don't know which tire would be, but yeah, we'll figure it out. But sweet. So 12:30 on Thursday. Now I'm gonna bring the shit. I gotta get the oil filter then because it's pretty massive. How many oil filters do you have down there? Okay. All right, word. Yeah, I'll just get the oil filter and then the oil then that I need for it. Sweet. All right, Ben. Yep. See you then. Yep. Peace. Got it. Delete. Oil change. Sweet. Sweet. Say it again. Say it again. Yeah, it'd be nuts. Keep falling. Yeah, right. That's funny. Crazy. Big Al, I'm getting off. All right, buddy. Yes, sir. Peace, dog. Boys heading out. Good luck in that golf tournament. That's sick. Y'all got paired up. See y'all at work, except for KP. Peace.